guys, sobrang exciting! What's up guys? Intro na naman. So ayan, mag-ibenta tayong sapatos, maiba naman. Let's go! Alright guys, so ayun, sasagot ako ng IG natin. And then si Sir Jay, which is our previous customer before from Leyte. Nag-inquire siya ngayon ng Amiri na t-shirt. So ayan, ito guys. Sakto kasi guys, Amiri din ako ngayon. Amiri yung t-shirt ko, tapos Amiri din yung shoes ko ngayon. So, inquire siya ng Amiri out of the blue. He's inquiring for the black shirt if it's available for size large. Now, we have it available for pre-order and we're selling that for 25,000 pesos. So, we'll see. Abangan natin guys kung mga dadandil or ma-close natin yung sale later. At natin nga ba size 8 pa? 1 year na. Kasi may nag-inquire kanina so meron pa tayo yan. You can fit that. 55. That's a newer model and that's 80 meaning it's advanced. The technology is better.
Yung sila nakakuha na ako dito eh. Yung daughter ko dito kami luha eh.
Can give you a discount naman sir siguro. Best price boss, 1,000 discount. 45. Bit mo muna boss para you can check muna whether okay sa'yo. Pero iba kasi comfort and balance yan boss. Yan sir. Tignan mo rin sa dalamin boss. This one?
Yeah.
8.5 boss sir. How much for the Roger Pro? 12,000 sir for the Roger.
Old school eh.
Uy, mas comfortable yan. Ito old school. Pero pang ano to kasi, pang tennis, pickleball, mga... Ito sa pito. Pang mga mother.
Ang tawag dito?
Cloud Flow AD.
Bakit 84?
Advanced. So it's a more advanced version than the previous Cloud Flow. They made the cushioning better, yung balance niya when you wear it. Mas balancing ka. Comfortable. Despite yung exterior niya na mukhang comfortable, mga siyang stiff, di ba? Pero actually when you wear it, you wanna wear both? Boss? Cloud Flow guys. Maganda nito. Yung tang niya pa lang guys, mas premium. Boss. 1,000 that's the best. 15.5 talaga actually, hindi ko just so normally. Boss, ito na lang babox ko. Kasount mo na boss, no? Totally boss, bago yung ganito eh. Okay, so yun, ito lang kay bossing ng previous customer natin, we gave a discount. We sold the Cloud Flow Advance, Cloud Flow 4. We sold that for 14,500 lang guys. Boss, maraming salamat po, thank you. Bossing, thank you. Salamat po. Ay, may bisita tayo. Ayun o. Ayun o. Si Drop PH. Hey! What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you, bro?
Dapat ako pupunta eh.
How are you, bro? How are you? That's the most comfortable model ni Cloud Hill. Anong size po yun? 10.5. I think mas better than 10. Kasi it's not meant to be. Sagad po ba yun? Pag sagad po, I recommend you size. Dahil pa naman nabenta niyan, boss, kasi nag-ano, kasi New Year, so most of the on-hand stock. So I think bestseller yung black. Oh, boss, try mo yung 11, boss.